This happened in 30 days. That's 1 month of stress. Look at what it did to her face.
When you're stressed, your body releases stress hormones. They attack your skin.
Your brain sends an emergency signal to your adrenal glands.
These glands pump out cortisol, your stress hormone. Cortisol floods your bloodstream and reaches your skin. Cortisol receptors on skin cells light up and activate. It breaks down your skin barrier, the protective layer. Cortisol triggers your oil glands to overproduce sebum. Bacteria get access they shouldn't have. They multiply rapidly. Mix excess oil with bacteria? You've created the perfect environment. Your immune system detects the bacteria and launches an attack. It floods the area with inflammatory molecules. Redness and swelling happen. What started as a clogged pore becomes a full pustule. Your face becomes a battlefield of inflammation. Day 1 to 7 Pro, you might just think your skin is getting a little oily. Week 2, pimples start appearing, but you're still stressed. Week 3, you've got cystic acne, deep, painful, inflammatory pimples. Week 4, your entire face is broken out. Permanent scarring is forming. It's a vicious cycle. Stress causes acne, and acne causes more stress. Studies show that 63% of people with acne experience anxiety. 1 in 5 develop depression. The skin damage becomes psychological. But you can break this cycle. Number 1, manage your stress.
2. Repair your skin barrier. Use ceramides and moisturize.
3. Use anti-inflammatory skincare like niacinamide.
4. Prioritize sleep. Your skin repairs itself at night.
5. Seek professional help. See a dermatologist or therapist. Healing your skin means healing your whole self. Your skin, CAN, heal.